Happy birthday, Paolo! Happy birthday, Paolo!
Happy birthday!
Why are you at the...
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Twins na anak ni Corina Sanchez at Mar Rojas na sina Pepe at Pilar, masayang binati ang kanilang kuya Paulo Rojas sa kaarawan nito. Si Paulo ang panganay na kapatid sa kanilang tatay Mar. Nakakatuwang mapanood na naaalala nila ang espesyal na araw ng kanilang kuya. Samantala, sa latest video naman nila kasama ang kanilang nanay Corina Sanchez, ay masaya sila na nasa kanilang sasakyan habang ihinahatid sila sa paaralan.
Happy birthday, Paolo! Happy birthday, Paolo!
Happy birthday, dear Paolo! Happy birthday, dear Paolo!
Happy birthday, Paolo!
Happy birthday, Paolo!
Miss you. God bless you. God bless you, Gid. Happy birthday.
I miss you. God bless you. I miss you.
I wonder where Pepe and Pilar are. We're going to school, but they're not here in the car. Where are they?
Bulaga!
Why are you at the back? Are you cargo?
Yeah.
Are you luggage?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. We're bags.
Your bags. Oh no. Are we excited for school today?
Goomba, where's my green bag? Leave it here in the bag.
Good morning.
Leave it here.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody.